Today's video from Chilliwack is rat bait party tray, because you always got to serve those uninvited guests something to eat. Hello everyone, it's John from Chilliwack. Today's video is called rat bait party tray. I have come up with a solution, I believe, to a rat trap to make it easier for you to put bait in the trap and easier for you to clean it if the bait needs to be changed. Let me explain how. Normally what I do is if I have a regular rat trap, I go buy myself some peanut butter and I smear some peanut butter in the trap. Same thing as inside the box trap. What happens is if the rat doesn't eat the peanut butter, after a while it goes rancid and you have to clean it. So I want to explain to you how it works. In the Chilliwack trap, the rats have only one ability to enter into the trap. There's no other way in. And if they want the food or the bait, they have to put their head through here and get into that trap. If I open the trap up, I have the ability to put the peanut butter or the bait inside the bait station right here. But I thought, wouldn't it be easier if I had a way of creating a party tray for the rats and for the convenience of the person who owned the trap? So what I've designed is a little tiny area here, and it's just basically two circles cut into the wood where you can put in little shot glasses. So I figured if I am going to rebait these traps over and over again, I don't want to have to clean peanut butter out of this little tiny bait station. So what I can do is I could put some seeds in here, maybe some sunflower seeds, something that's easy to clean and doesn't cause much of a hassle. And I don't have to scrape it out, I can just shake it out. And then I've got my little plastic shooter glasses. You can use glass shooter glasses as well. And I could put some sunflower seeds, I could put an almond, some nuts, and I just slide that into the party tray. I can get a walnut, I could crack that open, I could rub some walnut oil on the front of the trap, on the side, drop that and with the little shooter glasses into the party tray, and now it's easy and convenient. So when the rat comes in, they want to get to this food, but they also want to get the food in the back. The other thing is, if you're in a dry area or it's not raining, and it is raining right now, if you're in a dry area, you could put a little cup of water back here because rats need water to survive just like humans. So put some water back there. You can put a little piece of pepperoni, a little piece of steak, a little piece of chicken. You can try a variety of things. Think of a rat as an uninvited dinner guest, but when any dinner guest shows up at your house, you're going to get the party tray out and serve them some food because you're polite. Well, you can be polite to a rat, but the only problem is when you set the trap, the rat has to go through here to get to the food. So the goal is the food's back there. If he can make it, he can have it. It's as simple as that to catch a rat. I am going to be incorporating party trays into all my new traps that I'm selling. On some of the older traps or some of the ones that I've already sold, if you bought a trap from me already, contact me and you can come pick up a little party tray and I'll install it into your trap for you. I want to make it as easy as possible for you to catch a rat. These traps are for sale locally, by me, or in some retail stores. Thank you very much. Again, follow me on Facebook or YouTube. And if you have any questions, just give me a call. I'll take your call and we can talk about catching rats. Thanks. Bye for now. Remember, it's as simple as that to catch a rat. Thank you for watching the latest video from Chilliwack. My business is open by appointment only. You can email me at info@chilliwackarat.com. You can phone me, John, at 604-316-5773 to talk about rats, or if you want to buy a trap. You can follow me and look at my videos on Facebook and YouTube. The whole goal is to keep your property safe. Thank you.